So today we will learn some numerical of machine. So let's see first question. A crowbar of length 120 centimeter. Crowbar is of class first lever. Has its fulcrum situated at a distance 20 centimeter. So this is the position of fulcrum from the load. So it is actually load arm. Calculate the mechanical advantage of crowbar. So mechanical advantage we have to find out. Total length of crowbar is 120 centimeter. Load arm is 20. So effort arm will be 120 minus 20. Because in class first lever, fulcrum lie between effort and load. So effort arm will be 120 minus 20, that is 100. So ideal mechanical advantage, that is effort arm upon load arm. Effort arm, that is 100, load arm, that is 20. So 100 upon 20, that is 5. Mechanical advantage does not have any unit. Let's see second question. A 4-meter long rod of negligible weight is to be balanced about a point 125 centimeter from one end. It is the position of fulcrum. A load of 18 kgf, that is load L, is suspended at a point 60 centimeter from the support on the short arm. Means from the fulcrum 60 centimeter at a distance, load is suspended. Number 1, what do you have to calculate? A weight W, capital W, is placed at 25 centimeter, means other side of fulcrum. The support on the larger arm, find W, means if the rod is balanced due to the weight of W kept at 250 centimeter, calculate W. Second part is, if W is 5 kgf, so where must it be kept to balance the rod? So what will be the position of W if the weight of W, that is 5 kgf? To which class of lever does it belong? Of course it is class first lever because load and effort are opposite to the fulcrum. So number 1, total length of the rod, that is 4 meter, means 400 centimeter. 18 kgf load is placed at 60 centimeter from the support. W kgf weight is placed at 250 centimeter from the support. By the principle of moment, load into load arm is equal to effort into effort arm. So load is 80 and load arm is equal to 60. So 18 plus 6 into 60 is equal to W into 250. So the value of W will be 4.32 kgf. Second part, W is given 5 kgf. Load is 18, suspended at 60 centimeter. We have to find out the position. Again we have to apply load into load arm is equal to effort into effort arm. Load is 18, load arm is 60. Now effort is 5 and effort arm is D. So D is equal to 18 into 60 divided by 5, that is equal to 216 centimeter from the support on the longer arm. Number 3 part means to which class of lever? It belongs to class first lever. Very easy question. Let's see question number 3. It's given a pair of scissors has its blades. Scissor belongs to class first lever. Its blades 15 centimeter long. So means it is actually the load arm. Means blade arm is known as load arm. While its handle are 7.5 centimeter, it is effort arm. What is its mechanical advantage? So effort arm is 7.5 centimeter, load arm is 15 centimeter. So ideal mechanical advantage, that is effort arm upon load arm. So 7.5 divided by 15 equal to 0.5. No unit. Let's see question number 4. A force of 5 kgf, means it is effort, is required to cut a metal sheet. A shears, it is just like as a scissors, but the effort arm are quite longer. A shears used for cutting. Shear belongs to class first lever, but its mechanical advantage is greater than 1. So a shears used for cutting the metal sheet has its blades 5 centimeter long. So it is load arm. While its handle is 10 centimeter long, it is effort arm. What effort is needed to cut the sheet? See, effort arm 10 centimeter, load arm 5 centimeter. Mechanical advantage is equal to effort arm upon load arm, that is 10 upon 5, that is 2. But there is another formula of mechanical advantage. Mechanical advantage is equal to load upon effort. So we have to calculate effort. So effort is equal to load upon mechanical advantage. So what is the value of load? 5. And what is mechanical advantage we obtained here? That is 2. So what effort we needed? 2.5 kgf. Next, question number 5. In figure below shows a lever in use. It is class first lever, fulcrum, load and effort. Load is 15 kgf. To which class of lever does it belong? Simple, it is class first lever. This is class first lever. B part. If AB is 1 meter, means from here to here, that is 100 centimeter. AF from here to here, that is 0.4 meter. If 0.4 meter, so it will be 0.6 meter. And BF, that is 0.6 meter. Mechanical advantage, we have to find its mechanical. So mechanical advantage is equal to effort arm upon load arm. Effort arm, that is 0.6, and load arm, that is 0.4, equal to 1.5. Now the third, calculate the value of E. E means effort we have to calculate. Effort is equal to load upon mechanical advantage. What is the value of load? 15. And what is the value of mechanical advantage? 1.5. So what effort is needed? 10 kgf.